Okay. So what is a drama or a play? Or if I say what is the difference between a drama and play? So a drama is basically a written version of any text. On the other hand, a play is based on performance. Clear? So what is a drama? Drama is mainly a written text of any incident. On the other hand, a play is based on the performance that the people enjoy in a setting, right? In a drama, you will see, or a play, you will find several important things that are very essential for a student to know. The first thing that a student need to know is a plot. So what is a plot? If we see the diagram, I have written it, I have drawn it, written beginning, climax and ending. So what is the beginning or what is a plot? A plot is mainly an incident or event. A plot is mainly an incident or event of any text which has a beginning, a climax and an ending, right? Then the important thing that a drama has is a dialogue. So a drama has several dialogues performed by the characters. Clear? So if we have characters, we have dialogues, we can perform it. But still we need to know in which theme we are going to perform the play. So a theme is the main idea of any text. In the same way, a drama has several themes or a single theme, right? But when you got the dialogues and characters, you have one thing more needs to know is setting. So what is a setting? Setting is the time and place of any action. Let's say when we are going to write an act on teaching, the given in our text, right? In experience 3. So we have to write a plot for the teaching, the topic teaching, and then we have to set some characters to dramatize the incident or text. So we have to choose a setting that if the teaching play can be placed beside a school or on the road or outside a coaching center. So that can be a setting for the topic teaching, right? So in this way we can easily identify a play or write a play, but still we have something to know that are important for a drama or play, that are acts or scenes. Acts and scenes. So what is acts? Acts is based on the different part of the drama, and in each act there are several scenes, and each scenes, like we see in our TV set, several scenes are shown. For example, in a drama, the daily soap or other television activities, we see several scenes are shown in the dramas, right? Or in YouTube you see some setting are shown in a scene are shown in a house, then in a park, then in a marketplace or a university, right? So see, there are several scenes in an act. So in an act, we also see some other things that are important. Part of the drama is soliloquy and aside. So in a soliloquy, that a character talks or speaks, but the audience only can hear the soliloquy. But the other character on the stage doesn't listen to the character who speaks the soliloquy, right? On the other hand, an aside is something that only the audience understands, but the other characters present on the stage does not understand, but the audience and the speaker does. So these are some essential things of a drama or play. So what is a drama? A drama is mainly a written version of any text. On the other hand, what is a play? A play is mainly based on performance. Thank you.